my name is Randy Bowling with Equalizer Systems, and today I would like to discuss how to remove your plug in your pump and install a hand pump. First, you will need a 1-inch socket. Now you can use a cordless driver or you can just use a ratchet. You'll need to remove the plug, and when you remove the plug, sometimes you will have fluid come out of it and sometimes you will not have much. So first you remove your plug, then you install your hand pump. To install your hand pump, you will need an adjustable wrench. And when you install it, it just needs to be spark plug snug. For any more information, please see us at equalizersystems.com.